Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, we're putting on the new axle, and earlier I put on the new plastic. Yeah, we're almost done. All right, this is the old plastic. Yeah, it's pretty beat up, pretty bad. And this is the axle. Yeah, it's pretty bent, pretty badly. Yeah. But yeah, me and my brother are just here. We're just putting it back together. We're almost done. Maybe later, take it for a test spin, maybe later. Yeah, all right. Catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, like you see, it's all done. It's back together. Yeah, it's all right. The axle's straight, plastic's good, everything's fine. I'm just gonna go take it for a quick spin real quick, guys. All right, catch you guys there. All right, guys, I'm just taking it for a test spin. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys how it works. First kick. Alright guys, yeah, so that's about it. Just first time out, been about I'll give it about a week and a half. But yeah. Alright guys, have a good one.